Following the recent ceasefire in Gaza, ADRA International, the global humanitarian agency of the Seventh-day Adventist Church, is intensifying its efforts to assist vulnerable communities. The organization is prioritizing the delivery of essential aid to those most affected by the crisis.
With essential resources such as food, clean water, and shelter, ADRA is mobilizing to provide life-saving assistance. According to UN reports, more than 70% of the population is facing famine, with children among the most vulnerable. In response, ADRA is intensifying its commitment to humanitarian relief. Through a new fundraising campaign and partnerships with trusted organizations, the agency is delivering thousands of meals and essential supplies to help families in Gaza survive this challenging time. With each meal provided and each donation received, a message of hope and solidarity is shared, reminding those in need that they are not alone.
Visit adra.org/loveforgaza to donate and learn more about ADRA's life-saving mission in Gaza and other communities in need around the world.